Hello guys, my name is Jaival Trivedi and welcome to my YouTube channel called Ripal. So guys, today's video is very much interesting and having some important things to do. So guys, today in this video, I would like to tell you that Microsoft has successfully released a new version of File Manager. So today in this video, I would tell you that how you can download and install this new version of File Manager 2.0, and I will also give you some review of this application, that is this version better than the older version of File Manager or not. So now let's start with our video. But before getting started, I would like to tell you that if you have not yet subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe it. Press the bell icon and hit the like button to stay notified about my latest videos. So now let's start with our video. So guys, now let's start with our video. So guys, now first let's see the installation of this application, this File Manager application. Guys, I would like to tell you that this software is now only available for Windows 10 or 11. So you can try this on these Windows if you are running it, and it is not available on Windows 7 only. So guys, don't think that this software will harm your PC or laptop. In fact, it is now available in Microsoft Store. So now you will be thinking that this software is very much safe for use. So now let's start with the installation of it. So for this, just open your Microsoft Store. I am now just opening it, and now let's wait for it. Now it is loading. So now here you have to first create an account. I have already created. So just create an account to download the apps provided here. So now just search here File Manager. You just search here files, and here the app will be located. So now here it will take some time to load. So now you can see that these are the screenshots of this software. You can see over here. It has some great features than the older version. So that is why this app is getting more stars. You can see that its rating is very nice. You can see that 4.3 rating is there. And now let's just I have already installed this software, and that's why it is telling me to open the software. You have to just first install this software, and just it will install in a few seconds, and then you can just open it from here. So now you can see that the application is open, and now here you have to wait for some time as we are opening it first time. So now you can see that the software is now open, and you will be thinking that many things are changed over here, and this software is very much nice than the older one. So now it is fully loaded, and now you can see that here it just browser feature is given over here. You can see that earlier in the older version we have to just open up different tabs of File Manager to work in many windows. So you can see that I have to open it from like this in the older version. But in this version, we have given a plus icon over here, and we can just open all tabs in one window. But in the older one, we have to open many windows. So this is the great feature of this new version File Manager. So now let's move to the second feature. For this, there's a full icon change over here. You can see that many icons are changed over here. You can see that this local disk C, it is me telling that this much space is filled over here. You can see that this blue line. Now let me show you over here. So now you can see that how this is looking. Look wise is also changed. You can see that how it is looking here and how it is looking here. So look wise and animation is also very great feature. And now let me tell you that how animations are inputted in this File Manager. You can see that it is now on home. So now you can see that this blue line, how it jumps to this desktop button. So when I press this, now you can see that how it just jump to the desktop. When I click on this desktop button, you can see that it is taking some time, but it's a nice feature of it. You can see that, and in the older version, you can see that here it is given this PC use, but here we are now using home as our basic usage. Here we get this PC, and here we are using home as our normal use. So now let me open it again. So guys, now let's see the settings of this file manager, as it provides you many things in it. And you can see that many drives are also been we are able to see the drives we are able to see the drives which are been means distributed on our PC. You can see that we are also able to see that. And in the older version, you can see that how it is appearing. It is not much good. You can see that we have got a different section of drives over here. And you can also see that cloud drives are also be seen over here. You can see that if you use OneDrive, Google Drive, many more you use, then you can, it's a benefit here. You got a different section of all the drives, and network drive is also given over here. So now let's see the settings of this file manager. And let's move to this settings. You can see that this is the appearance section. Here you will be able to choose your color mode in which theme you want to apply to the file manager. You can see that default is there, dark is there, and light is there. So now you can see that I have changed to light, and you can see that my whole system theme is not changed. Only the file manager app theme is changed. So this is a very nice feature. If you work many more for hours on your PC, you can just change it to dark, and it will not harm your eyes very much. So here you can see that many things are here. So sidebar is also there, so favorite sections. So if I turn it off, you can see that here the favorite section is gone, and if I turn it on, you can see that favorite section is again here. So these are the basic features you must know this. And now let's move to the preferences section. So here you can change the language of it, and date, format, application or system. You can just change it to application. It's a recommended one. And now files and folders. So you can see that show a confirmation dialog when deleting files or folders. So if I want to delete any file, for example this, so if I delete, so now if I try to delete this, just go in that particular folder. So now if I try to delete this file, so now you can see that it is telling that giving me some confirmation. But if I go in the settings and go to preferences tab, you can see that in files and folders, it is telling that show a confirmation. If I turn this off and now I just try to delete it, it will directly get deleted. So now you can see that it is directly get deleted. So this is the feature. And now you can also see that we have also got a confirmation message that this file is successfully deleted. And this feature is also a very nice feature. And now let's move to different next features. So now here it is, these are not some important one, but we will discuss some few of them. So now you can see that here it is telling so hidden files and folders. So guys, in your system when you are just seeing your file manager, there are some hidden files and folders. So if you check this, if you check this option, show hidden files and folders, so the files which are hidden, which we are able to not see it, so they will be also be shown on our file manager. So this is the feature only. So now let's move to the next feature. So guys, these are not much more important ones. You can just check it by your own. So now let's see that startup settings. So when you just there are some different options available here. You can see that open a new tab. When you just start your file manager, it should be open your new tab, or when you open your file manager, it should be start where you left off. And there are also some specific open a specific page or pages. So here you can just customize your way, and you can see that here we are just getting a full freedom of on this application. On the other one, we are just getting some limited features, and this software is very much good and much more greater than the older one. So now let's see that multitasking view. So here, if I check this option dual pane, enable dual pane view. So now I would like to just show you. So guys, now you can see that how my file manager is open. So this feature is also a very nice feature, and it's a very nice feature for people who are doing multitasking. For example, if I want to copy this file into my another any drive, so here it will open, and now I have to just check this and just move it over here by dragging. So this is a very nice feature. I don't have to open many tabs of file manager, and I have to just drag it from here and open my folder and just do it. But I feel that this trick is very much good, and it is also known as split screen. So now let's move to our settings section again, and now let's see the next features what are in it. And now let's see that experimental. So now the experimental option is also very much nice. Enable file tags. Guys, enable file tags is not a much nice feature, but this will show folder size. This is a nice feature. You will know your folder size at the back, and this is a nice feature. And you can see that calculating folder size is resource intensive and may cause your CPU usage to increase. So guys, if your CPU is very much low end, and you don't, here it is basically it is telling that if you turn on this option of folder size, it will just use your CPU very much, and you must, if you are having a low end CPU, then you must not use this. So now let's move to about section. So here you can see that here you can get the version of it, and manage settings, and useful links and privacy policy, etc. So guys, this was the only video that new file manager 2.0 version is launched. So that's all in this video guys. I would like to tell you that if you have not yet subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe. Press the bell icon and hit the like button to be notified about my latest videos. So guys, now I would like to show you my website, and this is my website, and here you can find latest apps, games and web apps made by me for free, and you can download and use it in your daily life. So you can see that this is the calculator software made in Python programming language. This is the music player software, and this is the dictionary app, screenshot taker, alarm clock app, photo editor, etc, etc. Many apps are available here, and these are the web apps. You can see that here it is. This app is the same like we have seen earlier in cloud gaming. This will work in your browser, and you can use this in your phone also. Some apps will not support, but some will support the browser in phone, and all apps will support in PC if you use it. You can see that games are also available. Online shooting game from App Khazana. This is the web app, virtual keyboard, web calculator, bookmark, paint app, etc. And here are the games. You can see that these are for PC only, PC and laptop users, and for Windows only. Flappy Bird you can see with images, and this is the fruit search game. This is like a Fruit Ninja. You play in Android. Now you can play this in PC by downloading it. And this is the snake game. Yeah, like you Android, you play Snake IO, like this it is. And this is the Ludo game, and this is the chess game, and it is also available. You can play it with computer and human versus human. You can play it. And this is the Angry Bird game. You can play it. So these are the apps, and these are the Android apps recently launched, and it is recently created this page. And I have also given the description of it. This is the first app, Paint app, and this is the video chat, and it is also Signal clone. So you can use it for your daily use, and it is just like WhatsApp. You seen like this WhatsApp, it is just like. So that's all in this video guys. Meet you in the next video. Goodbye.